Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. I was writing one of my favorite quotes. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. But I'm not sure. Should I use a comma or a semicolon? Would you like to find out? Let's watch. Hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, could you explain commas versus semicolons and how they are used in sentences? Thank you, Naomi, Pennsylvania, USA. Great question, Naomi. Well, did you know there are not only 1, 2, 3, but 4 types of commas? They are the listing comma, the joining comma, the gaping comma, the bracket comma. A listing comma can always be replaced by the word and or. For example, Vanessa seems to like eggs, toast, and tea for breakfast. A joining comma must be followed by one of the connecting words and, or, but, yet, or while. For example, the report was due last week, but it hasn't appeared yet. A gaping comma indicates that you have decided not to repeat some words which have already occurred in the sentence. For example, Jupiter is the largest planet and Pluto the smallest. Bracketing commas always come in pairs, unless one of them would come at the beginning or the end of the sentence. For example, my father, who hated cricket, always refused to watch me play. As for the semicolon has one major use. It is used to join 2 complete sentences into a single written sentence. Here is a famous example from Charles Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence with a comma or semicolon using the instructions in this video to guide you. Now remember, a comma is used for listing, joining, gapping, or bracketing, whereas the semicolon is used to join 2 complete sentences into one. And if you need help, search online for examples and share them with us.
Hey Naomi, thank you so much for this week's awesome question. Learning how to use a comma or a semicolon can be kind of tricky, and I hope this video that was created for you helps a whole lot. And remember, if you have any other questions about how to use a semicolon further or a comma, just write it in the comment box and I will give you a quick reply. So that's it, guys, for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. Remember, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time.